Here's what I plan on doing this year to make the most out of my life. But the best part is that even if I don't fully complete these things, I'll still be so much better as a person and learn, experience so much. So I don't want you to miss out on this because you can get that encouragement and some cool ideas that you can do too. My name is Timothy. I'm 18. I like sharing the things that I've learned and thought about. So if you like the vibe, consider subscribing. I usually film videos outside, but it's way too cold, so I'm inside for this one. The first idea that I have is to fly solo, do a solo trip outside to a different country. I've always wanted to do it, so why not try it? I want to try to be ambitious with these ideas because even if I don't get to go to a different country, I'll still be able to travel somewhere else and experience something. The next thing I want to do is go to a ping pong tourney. I really like playing ping pong. I have one at my house and I've been playing it for like 10 years. It's a passion of mine. I really like it. I really enjoy the sport. I feel like I'm not bad at it either. So why not sign up and just test my skills and see how good I really am? I always wanted to do it. This is the year to do it. Also, going to a chess tournament will be sick. I feel like I've been getting smarter and better at chess, something that I just like doing. Why not compete for it? Why not go the extra step to enjoy that hobby that I have? With these things, it's like amplifying the hobbies that you have. It's like if you really like drawing, okay, if you really like drawing, start a class, like teach other people how to draw or go to a drawing competition or, paint a mural or something like that. Try to do that. See if you have, just go out there and try to do stuff. It'll only make you a better person because if that thing doesn't work, you're just gonna be where you were before you even asked. So there's no loss in doing it. You only learn, especially from failing. You can get a lot more just by asking. But anyways, the fourth thing I want to do is a podcast. I want to make a video where I'm just talking with someone else, sharing thoughts, ideas on something, and having like an hour-long video of just chilling and talking. If there's any topics you might want me to make a podcast about, let me know, and I'd love to try to do it one day. You might be asking like, okay, well, how do you get the money to fly alone? How do you get the money to sign up for a tournament? Like these things aren't free. You might be too optimistic, whatever. I don't want those excuses to kill my ambitions or what I want to do. Because with the fifth thing, that's why I have this YouTube channel. That's why I want to grow it. I also have two other communities, one with 6,000 members and one project I have called the Screen Time Challenge. Having all of this will fund my expenses on doing some tournament or flying to a different country. So starting a business and not waiting for society to give you a job, but like creating stuff your own, creating jobs for yourself. Another thing I want you to do, bonus thing, is for you to check out the Screen Time Challenge because it has saved so many people hours every single day of their life from just scrolling on their phone to genuinely do more fulfilling, purposeful stuff. For example, Vlad went from 10 hours of scrolling to 1 hour, less than an hour in a day, and has gotten so much time to do stuff. So just check it out. It takes a minute. There's more detailed stuff on what's inside and what you get. The community and I will love to see you inside. The next thing I'd like to do is try to be an actor. Sign up for something. I don't have to sign up for the next Lion King or something crazy like that, but something, just a small role. Another cool thing I want to do is an IRL meetup, in real life meetup, where I meet up with you or other people and we just chat, do some activity, have fun, get to know each other more. And if I ever plan something like that out, it'll be in the Screen Time Challenge, but you can also check out the other community that I have. It'll be really sick. I don't want you to miss out on that for sure. Another thing is have 100,000 subscribers, which I've already done, which is one of the bucket list things that I had. If you like the vibe of this video though, consider subscribing, it's free. Another thing I want to do, drive a cool car, just kind of adopt this lifestyle of where I'm trying all these things, experiencing a bunch of stuff. Another thing, have a laptop so I can do more work. I can work outside, work when I'm away. It's something I've always wanted, and it's a cool thing, a cool gift. Another thing, do a handstand. I can hold it for a second, but genuinely like hold it. Like I can walk on my hands, do a push-up handstand without the wall, and it'll just be fun. Like, why it would not be cool to just like, you're with a group of your friends or something and then you just do a handstand, like instant respect. Another thing I wanted to do is a combat sport. So I've done this by doing wrestling. Wrestling practice is so bad. It's so painful. And that's why I love it, because it is so hard and challenging. You only grow from it. Another thing I've done is a muscle up, where you do a pull up and then you do a dip, like an opposite of a dip. You just push up from the bar. Another thing I want to do is hit the 225 bench press, which is 2 plates on each side. I'm getting pretty close to it. I just have to try maxing out the bar more. If you go to the gym, you would know. Number 15, run a marathon. I haven't really done much running events. I did a 5K once, and I did it relatively quickly, especially for my first time ever doing some type of run. And I started like in the back, so I had to like cut through a bunch of people, which definitely increased my time a lot. So I'm like, I can definitely do a 10K. And then like, okay, well, if I can do a 10K, I can push myself to do this. And then, that would be a sick goal to do. And it feels attainable if I just put my mind to it. If I genuinely just try and train and practice for it, of course. I feel like something I've learned with wrestling is that you don't have to believe that you're going to like dominate your goals or like destroy the other person you're wrestling against. You just have to believe that you have a chance. That yeah, if you try really hard, if you put in the work, yeah, you could beat that other opponent. So just believing in yourself, like, yeah, I have a chance to do these goals. If I actually try, if I actually, pick single one out that I really want to do and just focus on that for the next few weeks. And yeah, I can get it done. The next thing I want to do is win the school games. So that's a competition on the communities that I have to get the most growing paid community. So that'll be sick, because also the winners get to get some cool trophy, mastermind with all the winners of the event, and also fly out to Los Angeles. So having also some type of goal where it's like this big prize, believing that you have a chance, allows you to get so much more work done and progress actually towards that goal. Another thing I really want to do, rock climbing. This has been on my list of like, yeah, I want to do this. Yeah, I'm going to do this one day. I want to do this for like 3 years now, and I still never done it. So I'm marking my words. I'm going to do it this year. An easy action step you can do for some of these goals is just to look at stuff in your area, like rock climbing near me, rock climbing gym near me, and then find some stuff and just know where those things are located. So it's not like this vague thing of like, yeah, I want to rock climb. Another thing I want to do, just a cool little thing, run advertisements just to see like what it actually does. Does it help? Will I get more people inside my communities like that? Another thing which I've already done, but I still want to keep doing, eat mango chunks. They are so good. I also want to cook some stuff, cook some more meals, and enjoy food more. So yeah, those were my 21 things. Now let's take action on these. Let's genuinely try, believe we have a chance of doing these, and take action. Try to do something every day. Just enjoy the process. Enjoy the whole thing. Have fun while doing it. That's how it'll be so much more easier, and you're more likely to actually get the thing done. Subscribe to see more videos like this. Let me know what you thought of the video, what you liked, what you want me to make more videos about, and I'll see you later. Take care.